Picture this.
You go out for a run, you feel your legs pumping, your breath quickening, and maybe you think I'm running out of energy.
But here's the twist. You're not losing energy at all. The chemical energy stored in the food you ate is simply transforming. Your muscles break down glucose and fats, releasing energy, turning into kinetic energy, moving your body forward. At the same time, a lot of that energy escapes as heat, making you sweat to cool down. So in every slide, the energy you started with is still there, just divided into different forms.
This is the law of conservation of energy. It tells us that energy can never be created nor destroyed, only transformed. Think of it as nature's ultimate budget. No overspending, no free lunches.
So let's look at this at a much larger scale. The sun. Every second it pours out more energy than humanity has used in its entire history. But where does that energy come from? Deep in its core, hydrogen nuclei fuse to form helium, a process called nuclear fusion. But here's the fascinating part. If you measure the mass of the hydrogen that go in and compare it to the helium that comes out, the helium is actually much lighter. Some of the mass is missing. At first, that sounds impossible. Mass can't just disappear, right? This is where Einstein's famous equation E is equal to mc squared steps in. It says that mass and energy are equal. So when that tiny fraction of mass disappears, it hasn't vanished. It's been converted directly into energy. And because the speed of light squared is an enormous number, even the tiniest bit of mass creates an astronomical amount of energy.
That's the sunlight warming your face, powering plants,
and ultimately fueling life on Earth. So whether it's you converting food into motion on a jog or the sun converting mass into energy through fusion, the principle stays the same. Energy is never created nor destroyed, only transformed. It may change form, but it never breaks the cosmic balance.